Welcome back to my channel. I'm on the ground for a reason. My Papa's here. Say hi, Papa.
Hi.
So today we're going to be making some slime. I don't know if he knows how to, but we're going to make some slime. So, Papa, what do you think your first step is? You can add both of these to the slime because there might not be enough clear glue. Do you want to? Here, I'll hold the slime so you can make the slime. So you can add, and you can add both. Wait. I'm gonna use this table for him to make it on. And then I'll pop you guys up here. Alright, so put your glue in this container. You might have to squeeze it. It's coming, I see it. There it comes. You're gonna add the whole entire thing. Papa. Alright, so I have this slime that he made. We forgot to shoot the video because it wasn't shooting. Alright, do you think that's good? You can go as much as you want. Okay. Oh, I got it. Then you can add your clear glue if you want. We don't have much because I've been using my clear glue. Here it comes. It's coming. Alright.
Alright.
Do you want to mix that together?
Mix it.
Mix it until you think it's like the great consistency to where the clear glue and the white glue is mixed together. And then you can add a little, not so much, to your activator. So he's currently mixing. Alright, do you think that's good?
Yeah,
Alright,
it's good.
it's good? Okay. Alright, now what you're going to do is you're going to put your container down and add your activator. Little by little. Okay, that's good. Now you're going to mix. It's going to get tougher as you mix. So you'll see it clumping up. So guys, I'm going to show you guys an ASMR one if you're ready. You can add as much activator as you want. So guys, I have some slimes over here that you guys haven't seen yet. Get the corners and everything. Do you want me to knead it or do you want to knead it?
Nope, I got it.
You got it? So why she's over-activating is because it gets really sticky. So that's why he has so much activator. You know you don't have to get every last bit, right?
Okay. No.
Now I'm gonna take the container and you can take it off. And then you want to knead it. So knead it in your hands. Add more borax if it's sticky.
It's very sticky.
It's very sticky, so add some borax. Okay, that's good. And Papa, do you like slime?
Yes, very nice.
You can take that
It's
to
too
work.
sticky.
It's a stress reliever. Keep adding borax then. That's what happens sometimes. Now, Papa, what kind of slime is your favorite? Do you like fluffy? Do you like crunchy? Do you like regular? Do you like clear and white slime?
Clear and white fudge.
Slime. So he likes clear and white. So you like just basic slime that's clear and white? Basic slime.
Yes.
Do you like your consistency of your slime?
Yes, consistency. Very consistent.
If you still feel slime on your hands, take that chunk of slime and put it where the slime is and pick it up. So go like this, Papa.
I got it.
Okay. He's got it.
All right.
So, Papa, do you know how to do ASMR?
Hmm.
Do you know how to do ASMR?
Hey, some more.
ASMR.
What's that mean?
It means where you poke the slime. So I'll show you how to do it. And then you can do it. So you're going to poke. You can poke it. This one is really hard. So you can poke it.
And then what?
And then you can squish it.
So what do I want to do that for?
Because it's satisfying.
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 Yes. So poke it, squish it, stretch it, whatever you want to do. Real quick. Poke it. Squish it, stretch it, rip it, snap it, twirl it, snap it real nice, squish it, yeah.
Cool. So you got to tell Nana I made slime with you.
Yep,
You got me on a video.
yep. Say
Cool.
bye.
Bye!